Hello Chariton, happy Wednesday. It's time for another crafty project here at the library. Happy St. Patrick's Day, happy Green Day. We're glad that St. Patrick got rid of all the snakes in Ireland. And today we're going to do a craft about where reading takes you. So we've had some really neat coloring pages turned in. We had some really fun, colorful bookmarks turned in from our contest last week. And this week, we're going to create some Polaroids. So each kit has 3 Polaroids, and I'm not sure if you can see it very well on the actual camera, but there's an outline of a Polaroid, and then when you're done, you can cut it out. And you'll create a picture of where reading takes you inside the Polaroid. And also as part of this video and linked on this same post is the link to the tutorial from Let's Make Art. It's Nicole Miyuki again this week. So there's a little bit of lettering and a little bit of watercolor. So the kits have a palette and a brush. And please, we're about out of all of those supplies. So if you want more watercolor projects, I really need those brushes and palettes back. The other supplies you're welcome to keep, especially if it's something you really enjoy having, but I really do need the palettes and brushes back. So please bring those. And you have 3 colors on your palette. This time you have yellow ochre and something or other, magenta, and then a kind of blue. It's Tahoe blue is what they call it on Let's Make Art. This one has a different name that I don't know how to say. And then you can add any kind of pen or marker or pencil, whatever works for you to do the lettering. There's a guide for some faux calligraphy, and you can do as simple or complicated as you want. Put a quote on there, maybe caption it where reading takes you. I actually used one of these super fine ballpoint pens, and that was really fun because there's not a lot of space to write. But in Nicole's tutorial, some of her Polaroids she writes in the photo, and some of them she writes on what would have been the white part of the Polaroid film. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always email me, SheratonLibraryKids@gmail.com. And then bring your Polaroids back. We want to see where reading takes you, and we want to display these as part of our summer reading program come this summer, starting in June. It's coming, even though it's so cold and yucky outside. Summer is coming. So keep thinking happy thoughts, think rainbow thoughts. I've got lots of new books to share. So I will see you Friday for virtual story time, and I can't wait to see your Polaroids. Have a great Wednesday.